You want me to start you off?
Yes.
I'm going to start you off? Okay, go.
Now leave me.
Okay, I'm leaving you. Go. Push. Push, sweetheart. Good girl. You're doing it by yourself. I'm just watching you. You're going fast, Brianna.
Yes. Because I have to go to the park.
Yeah, you're going so fast.
Yeah, because I have to go to the park today.
Yeah, you're going to the park today. You're driving your own bike.
Yes. I go tell Grandma tomorrow.
Look at Daddy.
Gee.
You're going to tell Grandmama?
Yeah. And go tell Mommy too. I got
Okay.
I
Watch
got
out, 'cause there's cars.
too. Okay. Don't hold me. I go close to the car.
Okay.
Whoa.
You want me to get you started a little bit? You going to do it by yourself?
Yeah, I'm starting again.
Oh, look at that, all by yourself. Watch the car. That's it. You're driving and you're pedaling.
Hey, hey, hey.
Good girl, all by yourself on your bike. Hmm? Good job, Brianna.
I am doing it.
Yeah, by yourself too.
I am doing it.
Good job, Brianna. Good job.
Just because it's a secret.
Okay, be quiet 'cause it's a secret. Okay.
Let's tell
Brianna. Brianna. Are you growing up?